a lot for your visiting. And you have purchased a lot of machines like laser cutting machines, like tube cutting machines, and other carbon dioxide production machines. So the first question that I would like to ask you is that what do you think of these machines? What do you think of our productions?
We think that they are good, and we are really looking forward to have these machines operating back home in Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
And we expect them to be very good machines, and they will help us in our production and our, growing our business.
Yeah, I understand. Thanks a lot for your answer, and I believe that our product could help you a lot in the production, and we could become a major provider of the laser cutting machines in the future. Between you and our company.
Absolutely.
Yes, and the second question that I would like to know is that during your stay here, you visited our factories, and our engineers has also offered you many instructions for the operation of the machines. What do you think of them? Are they helpful?
They were very helpful. They have tried their best with us. They were so patient with us. They took all our questions and they answered them, technical questions and production questions. And I think they are nice, and we look forward to be in contact with them with technical support in the future.
Yes, of course. Surely, we could offer you the 24 hours technical services online, and also we could send our engineers to your factory and for installation and training for your workers. So it is a great pleasure to have you visit here and to recognize our engineers before sending the machines to Saudi Arabia.
Right.
So, yes, before this progress, we could know each other better.
Yes, I know almost all of them, Louis, John, Pang, and Play. They're all very nice people. Carl also, they're all very nice people. And of course, all the people here in the office, yourself, Victor, Betsy, Penny, Alan, they're all nice people, and we're very happy and proud to be a friendship beside the business relationship. Personal friendship.
That's also my pleasure to have the friendship with all of you, and we're also looking forward cooperation further in the future.
Yes.
Okay, and I think today's our interview has reached a great point, and thanks a lot for our customers visit DXTECH company and our DXTECH factory, and thanks a lot. We end up here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Chiche.